Jessica. Klein Schmidt puppy. Carolyn. She said she's been trying. He's like pulling like a train. I went and talked to her. Yeah, maybe a chain or something. Yeah. Leslie. This is another litter mate. Ducky.
He's got the ducky speed.
Yeah, the
ducky speed.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, that was not bad. It's a rum raisin. So it's actually the other litter mate that's absent, not the rum raisin. Yeah.